And now let's put theory into practice for the bare brain. So find a partner to work with, either in your family life or in one of your clients, or post it online that you want to work with someone. Perform a BioCompass analysis. Focus on a UDIN. What is their perception? What did they perceive? What is their shock moment? How did their body adapt to the situation? What is the relief moment? And what is the restoration? How did the body react in restoration? Write your findings and a reflection in the forum. Tip: when you use the big muscles, like the arms or legs, that's usually the easiest way. Or use the back, meaning not good as a person. Take a solid time for this to really get into detail. Stop the video and do the exercise now.
When you learn something from this, comment your biggest insight, and you will inspire other people with your comments too.